picked up this Peugeot children's bike. There's a few scuffs on it, which is expected because this is an old bike. Basically no wear on the pads, which is a very good sign. If I test the chain wear on it, that is going to be a good indicator of how much this bike has actually been used. It's not even 0.5% worn, the chain. First thing I'm going to do is take the tyre off and sort out this rim tape. Those are some nasty bearings, I can't lie, but I'm sure it's something I can sort out. That's more like it. Finally, we got it off. Really weird. I thought there's supposed to be a flat on each side. So here, right, this side has got the flat on it for the cone spanner, and this side there's nothing. I had to put this in the vise to actually loosen this side off, but now we're going to take out the bearings because they are absolutely horrible. Right, this is bad. When you look closely, they are bad. So, next mission is to get some new bearings. If you recognise this, then you are definitely a loyal subscriber. It was literally so filthy I could barely even tell where to put the spanner. Yep, there's basically no grease in there. And you've got metal shavings coming out of it. Right, this is the axle and bearing cones. There's pitted marks on there, which is why it was feeling rough. But I can't seem to get cones this size because it's a very rare size. So I'm sanding and polishing the bearing cones. I've also made the investment into a grease gun, definitely needed that. So let's get going with getting the bearings in here. The bearings themselves in the back are absolutely fine, no issues, so I'm reusing those. But I've got a huge tub of new bearings for the front. Tight enough to prevent wobble, loose enough to keep the bearings moving free without any notches. Still not perfect because there's still slight notches in it, but that is so much better. Happy with that. I don't know where, but he's gone. Now back to putting the rim tape together. So I've just super glued there, reused the old rim tape. The front brake was performing terribly and the lever was sticking, so the outer cable got lubricated with a decent amount of ceramic lube and grease, and the inner cable, which was frayed, got replaced. So this is bent, so we're just going to bend it back. Brass brush, not steel. Look at the difference. Mad. That is the rear rim and tyre cleaned up. Now let's get onto the front one. All the chips and scrapes which needed patching up with new paint were cleaned with fine emery paper, and then I cleaned it with isopropyl alcohol. And now I'm painting it. Before the restoration, this Peugeot bike was mouldy, rusty, the wheels barely even turned, and it was looking very sorry for itself. And now, not only has the chrome been polished, but even the cones which the wheel bearings run on have also been polished to keep the wheels running smoothly with new bearings and grease. It's had a new brake cable and is fully serviced and ready to be ridden and enjoyed once again. Now I've got to wait and see if I can sell it on eBay. So there we have it. If you want to see more vehicles being turned around, make sure you subscribe down below with the notification bell, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.